Hey guys, this is TechnoGenuine. So finally, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is legit, not false. You can see there's a fingerprint residue there. Anyways, moving on, you can see the big camera on the middle, and then secondary camera, sensors, and the fingerprints on the bottom hand. Now, the model number for this phone is SM-960U. And as you can see, the phone looks beast. Looks very identical to Samsung Galaxy Note 9, except the fingerprint placement and bigger camera. And then we have a render here, which looks exactly or similar to the actual device of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be similar to the render here. Then we have here another, then here is the pose, which is probably going to be showcased on the August 8th or 9th, the day when the phone is going to be unleashed. And then here we have another render, which was shared a few days ago. And then finally a case by one of the third-party brands. Then you can see it looks very nice. I can't wait to have a hands-on on this beast, Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, and peace out.